Yes, this is my food. Yeah, very nice. I am eat this. I wanna eat because I am very hungry. It's a very delicious. I will not go over there because I am angry. I want to eat very eat because I am very angry. Yeah, this is my food. Very delicious. Man.
With her, with him, we're here. Because the sun is very sunny day. And his words is very windy day. Okay. You know my friend, Tilax is very rich. Yeah. His house is very, it's very wide, very big, and you know, this motorcycle is owned by him. Yes. Where's the other motorcycle? I think two motorcycles lost. The one that is made from Kamandayon is gone. Maybe it's carnap or kidnap. It's kidnap? He said he will let us eat his house. You know, pre, Tilax is liar, pre. Yeah. He said that he offers snacks to his house, but he never let us eat his house. Hey, yo, what's up, man? What happened to you? We're waiting Tilax here because he said that he will come back here, but he never let us. Why your looks? It looks like it will rain today. Because he said there that he offers snacks to us, but he didn't offer to us. Where's your friend? He said that 2 hours of waiting here, he will come back here and bring some snacks. Yes. Oh my goodness! I am so hungry. Oh, you don't go home. You stay here so that you will eat also. You know, pre, my friend Tilax is very rich. Wow, that's good. His house is very big house. Big house? Yes. Oh my goodness. By the way, pre, what's the job of your friend? He is an engineer. Civil engineer. Really? Civil engineer. Civil engineer? 100,000 a month. Very rich. Very good money. He is very famous here in our little big town. Pre, I have an idea. Wow! What idea? Pre? We will borrow money to Mr. Tilax. Yes, that's great. That's nice idea, pre. He is very rich, 100,000 a month. Yes, and we will borrow him and we will not pay. We will bankrupt him. Bankrupt him? Yes, that's a good idea. That's a very big... Because he never let us eat in the house. Okay, let's go. So, let's borrow money. Pray, excuse me for a while because I am so hungry. I cannot wait for the snacks. Okay. I just called you when Tilax is just tell me when we're going to borrow money. Okay.
2,000 years later.
Oh, Tilax is already here. Yes, we can borrow money. He's coming to town.
Oh yeah. I will go over there and I have to. I want to talk to you about your home. I want to say what is your problem. Anytime. Okay, say it. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh, I know. Okay. Bye. Yes. Okay. Hey, friend.
Hey,
How are you?
we're very okay.
hungry. My friend, why are we very hungry? I see. Because
It's already 3 hours of waiting.
3 hours of waiting here?
You said 2 hours, but you never come back.
I said, my home is wait 2 hours. It's not 2 hours. hours, in 1 hour. I give you money.
Okay.
Give me
Okay.
money.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You can buy snack anytime. What
so
what is
hungry.
your snack?
Yes.
I give you money, ha? This is how much? 1K? Okay. You 500, you 500. You can snack anytime. Okay.
It's only 100.
500 my money.
Oh, only 100.
500.
You said that.
It's only 100. No. It's a oh
100?
50
pesos.
Okay. Buy snack.
Okay.
Go buy snack and I will wait for you, ha?
We will not.
I will waiting, ha?
Okay, thank you.
You can buy snack at the store. At the store.
Okay.
You can buy, ha? And your supply is waiting. Oh no, I have no money. My money is giving my friend because we have a snack. No, I have money. My money is not yet. Okay, it's okay. I will. Good. Okay. We have to come and then snack my friend. I will give idea myself. Yes. Oh yes. Oy!
Hey,
sir,
how are you?
Okay, sir. I will sanitize my your motorcycle because I need germs.
Oh, that's good.
Oh,
Did you say
yes.
Butchok and Sisa?
Butchok and Cesar is here. You can go over there to buy snack.
Ah,
At the
did
store.
buy snack? Because he said he has friend that is very rich.
Oh, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah. I don't know, sir. I don't know. I will sweeping your motor and then okay. So very nice, sir. Very nice store. You can go.
No, not yet. I will just check my motorcycle if it is really clean.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, it's okay, sir.
This motorcycle is new to me.
Wow, it's okay, sir. You can.
How about this one?
Sir, yes, sir. This one, sir.
This is my other motorcycle.
Wow. Okay, it's okay, sir. Clean. It's very cleanish. Very cleanish. Okay, very cleanish. Woo. Woo. Yeah.
It is dirty.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, it's very nice.
Yeah, it is very new already. What happened?
I'm friend. It's really.
Hey,
This is my friend. This is my friend. Oh, yeah.
What's up? Where's the snack?
Okay. Yes, this is my friend.
Where's the snack? We're full already with it there. I will be back. What's up? Okay. Ah, thank you so much.
Where is my?
We are already.
No.
We all.
You said that keep the change.
I'm not saying you keep the chance. I said something.
What's so click?
What's up?
Money is money. The chance. I'm not saying keep the chance.
Oh, well, keep the change. We
The
keep
food is in our stomach. We're so full.
We're very. Oh.
Stomach is so sly.
No. More food.
Okay, wait. Yes. Hello. Oh, I'm coming. Yeah. Okay. Friend, my friend. Wait, my client is. I will go over.
Yes.
Okay.
I will back. Maybe I will back 4 hours before I need to go. Okay, see. You stay and I will go over.
Okay.
Okay, we
My-
will
my
take look
client.
out of your
Okay,
all
so
motorcycle.
thank you for the-
We will look up.
Okay, keep the chance.
Thank you for the
No.
steps.
Oh, thank you so much.
for
It's
support.
enough. It's enough.
Okay.
You want me to do it?
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.